Believe me, your duvet will fit in the washing machine. You're probably wondering how to wash a large duvet in a washing machine. The process isn't difficult at all. And most importantly, duvets can be machine washed. Let me show you how. Start by laying your duvet flat on the floor, fold it in half along its longer sides, then fold each side toward the center, just like I'm doing. Finally, starting from one end, fold it like an accordion. This method will ensure your duvet fits easily in the washing machine. It's recommended to wash duvets every 6 months, while allergy sufferers should do so every 3 months. Add this to your dirty laundry, and the results will surprise you. That dazzling white wash you've been dreaming of is within reach. Use this trick, and your socks, shirts, tablecloths, or towels will regain their whiteness. Here's how to do it. You only need one ingredient, a common spice. I'm talking about plain black pepper. Pepper acts as a gentle abrasive and helps remove detergent residue that causes a grayish tint. Simply add a teaspoon of ground black pepper directly into the washing machine drum during your next wash. Wash your white laundry as usual. Clothes washed with pepper will regain their bright white color. Add it to the drum every time you wash towels, bed linens, or white clothes. After washing, you'll notice a difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. Throw aluminum foil balls into your washing machine, and the result will surprise you. This trick works better than any chemical solution and helps eliminate annoying static cling from your clothes. Every wardrobe has clothing made from different fabrics like cotton, polyester, or acrylic. But it's polyester and acrylic that tend to build up the most static, especially in winter. It might sound strange, but there's a simple fix. Just take some aluminum foil, roll it into a ball, and repeat until you have 4 of them. Toss them into the washer with your laundry. Wash as usual, and you'll notice a big reduction in static. At first, it might seem like a weird hack, but it's actually one of the most effective ways to deal with clingy clothes. Try it during your next wash and see the difference yourself. You can confidently wash your shoes in the washing machine without worrying that it will ruin your favorite footwear. You'll save time that you used to spend cleaning shoes by hand. I'll show you step by step how to do it so your shoes stay clean and well maintained. First, take a plastic bag, roll it up, and put it in the washing machine. This will prevent your shoes from banging against the drum. Now grab your favorite dirty shoes and apply toothpaste to them. Don't worry, toothpaste cleans and removes stains perfectly. Next, put the shoes in the washing machine next to the plastic bag. Add a scoop of laundry powder and select a gentle wash cycle. After the cycle is finished, take out the shoes and see how great they look. Leave them to dry, but make sure to dry them away from direct heat sources. This will help them maintain their shape and avoid damage. Now your shoes are clean and ready to wear. I pour a handful of salt into a new laundry liquid. I'm thrilled with the results. Into a bowl, I pour 2 scoops of laundry liquid. Next, I add about 6 tablespoons of dish soap. It has properties that alter the surface tension of water and create foam. The next ingredient is regular table salt. I add 1 tablespoon to my mixture. Salt is a natural cleaning and disinfecting agent. Finally, I add a cup of vinegar. It has cleaning properties and neutralizes odors. I mix everything and transfer it into a spray bottle. This is my go-to solution for special cleaning tasks. It works great on limescale buildup. When I use it to clean the toilet, there's no unpleasant smell from the drain anymore. It also removes yellow stains from ceramics and toilet seats. The polishing properties are evident when cleaning the bathroom sink. It shines beautifully right away. This cleaner is highly efficient and effective. I've thrown away harsh and harmful detergents. This one is gentle and cleans just as thoroughly. My grandmother taught me this method. Pour the liquid into molds. I'll show you an unusual trick you'll thank me for. Start by taking a silicone mold. You can use molds in different shapes. Pour laundry detergent with your favorite scent and color into the molds. The next important ingredient is baking soda. It works as a natural cleaner and helps keep your washing machine drum clean. It also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Add a bit of baking soda to each mold and mix thoroughly. Now take laundry scent booster beads and add them to each mold. These beads intensify the fragrance and provide additional freshness. This combination works better than simply adding the beads directly to your laundry. Place the prepared discs in the freezer and store them until needed. Once frozen, take one disc out of the mold and place it directly into the washing machine drum with your clothes. During the wash cycle, the disc will slowly dissolve, releasing a beautiful scent and refreshing your laundry. Your clothes will come out soft, fragrant, and fresher than ever. Even after a week in the closet, they'll still smell amazing. I guarantee that once you try this method, you'll use it all the time. Your laundry is taking too long. We know the surprising reason. You've probably noticed that the program often lasts longer than what's shown on the display and barely changes. Here's why and what you can do about it. The first possible reason is the valve connected to your washing machine. Check if it's fully open. If it's not, the machine takes longer to fill with water. Another crucial step is to inspect the washing machine filter to ensure it's not clogged, as this affects its performance. Overloading the drum is another common reason for extended washing times. Make sure not to exceed the recommended load. As you might guess, this is a very common issue. When doing laundry, make sure to leave about 1/5 of the drum empty. Also, check your washing machine's load capacity to avoid overloading, which automatically extends the washing process. Another mistake many people make is using too much detergent or fabric softener. Excess suds signal the machine to work longer. Follow the instructions on the detergent label for the correct amount to use. By following these tips, you'll make your washing machine run more efficiently and save yourself time. I put my sweaters out on the balcony, and my neighbor thought I had lost my mind. In reality, it is a simple trick to refresh wool. As soon as there is snow and freezing temperatures, I take out my wool sweaters and do what is called snow washing. I lay them flat on the balcony, which is covered with snow. I use this method for merino wool, cashmere, and regular wool garments. Then I sprinkle them with a thin layer of fresh snow. This method comes from a time when washing machines were not common. It answers the question of how to wash wool clothes without them shrinking. The snow should cover the entire surface of the garments. I leave them there for at least 1 hour. After that, I shake off the snow. The freezing temperature refreshes the wool and removes bacteria. This way, wool can be refreshed without damaging it or risking shrinkage. Bad odors disappear, and the fibers of the sweater become fluffy again. Then I lay the clothes flat on a drying rack, far away from the heater. Wool garments should not be dried at high temperatures because they can shrink. It is important that they lie flat, as this protects them from stretching and losing their shape. Wool clothing should not be washed often, which is why I use this grandmother's method whenever snow appears on my balcony.